Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Beoplay H7 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily find your user manual. At first we have to go into our web browser. Now we have to search for our headphones. Bang. And Olufsen Beoplay H7 user manual, and now we have to search. As you can see, Bang and Olufsen Beoplay H7, we have to click on it, click decline all or accept all, and as you can see, Beoplay H7 guides, manuals and software. As you can see, here we have quick guide, here we have safety information, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.